Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, there's an update for Google Chrome, the weekly update that is available for the bug fixes for security. So we, of course, move on now to version 117.0.5938.149.150, depending on the computer. And this contains one high severity security fix. It's for the V8 type confusion. We have that all the time. The scripting engine being, part of what can execute a lot of code is often targeted. So it often has flaws that are discovered. No 0-day. It doesn't seem to be exploited in the wild, so that's the good news. But it's still high severity, needs to be fixed. So update your Google Chrome to stay safe. Next week, we'll have Google Chrome 118 released. So that's coming up next week. I already have it. If you're on there's an option in Google Chrome to have what's called early stable, which is usually about a week before everybody. You will have 118, but on the regular, for most people, 117.0.5938.150 is what you'll get, or 149. Of course, V8 type confusion means that's in Chromium. That means every browser from Brave to Edge to Opera to Vivaldi and so on, except Firefox, will get this update eventually. So check your browsers for the update to stay safe. And next week, well, it'll be a new version of Chrome. So we'll see what's in that new version next week for Chrome 118 coming up. So check it out. There's a security update. Only one flaw this week, but it's a high severity. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.